back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to work with these two little molds here. I just got them, and I'm curious to see what they look like unmolded. So what I want to do is I'm going to be using some blue Nic Pro resin dye. I'm going to just use the blue dye in this one. And in this one, I want to do the blue dye and add a little bit of this mylar, just to see the difference in these. So, yeah, so I'm going to add 6 drops. I believe I have, how much do I have in here? 3 ounces mixed up. I don't know how much these molds hold. If I have to mix up more, I will. So yeah. And I like doing Christmas ornaments, so I really look forward to this time of year. I mean, I guess I could do them anytime. Really. I just want to make sure that I get this blue mixed up. I don't want the streaks. And this is just blue. I was going to go with sky blue, but I thought let's just stick with the blue. It's looking pretty. I don't want to add any glitter to this one. Maybe when I do these again, I'll do the glitter. I just want to see how they turn out. So, all right, let's start pouring. I went with the blue. I felt that, I don't know, I was going to go red or green, but I don't know, just blue just really stuck out to me for the color for these. Maybe because of the snowflake, the blue. That's going to be pretty. That's going to be real pretty. Don't want to over pour these. I can see that that would be very easy to do. And I don't want them to be under poured either. I think that's going to be it for that one. Okay, let me mix the mylar. Okay, let me get the mylar. Dump some in there. Let's see. Don't want it too much mylar, as I dump a lot in there. Yeah, that's good. That looks so pretty. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm going to spritz this with some isopropyl alcohol. And get this one poured. That is so pretty. Yeah, this mold is deeper in the center here. So I'm just trying to drag some of that resin up. Isn't that pretty? I have a feeling this one is the way to go. To have that icy snow effect. 3 ounces is going to be good. Wasn't sure. Just trying to get it up over that. Yep, looks like 3 ounces is going to be perfect, actually. Okay. There it is. And I will see you at demold. That's going to be beautiful. I hope so anyway. It's got potential. So I will see you at demold. Okay, these are cured. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I did not turn on my heat mat for the first hour and a half, and then I turned it on. So I try to let the bubbles, if there are any, I try to let them come up to the surface before I turn the heat mat on. So there is that. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I have some string cut for that. Let's see this one. Let's see the difference that Mylar makes. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is just gorgeous. So these are the differences between the Mylar and no Mylar. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, let me put some string in there. I have some silver cord. I just cut off a length off the roll. It frays, so once you tie a knot into it, it'll be good. So let me get it cut in half. So just like I said, cut off a length. I'm gonna go see if I can get this through that little opening. I see my cord is. I have this. It is dental floss for braces. So I just put the loop, I put the opening of the loop, and I put the string or whatever I'm going to loop into that, the loop in the loop. Then I poke that in through there, and then I pull, and it pulls it through. But my cord is already messed up. Let's see if I can fix it. I'm going to get, let me see. Let me try it again. The loop in the loop. Like that. Put it through the front, like so. There. Okay. I'm going to pull it up, tie a knot, and that'll stop the fray of this cording, and cut it. It's a little long, but that's okay. We'll try that again. I'll show you again. So you even it out. Now you got the loop. Let me get the white paper because it's kind of hard to tell on this. Okay. I got the loop. Now this dental floss that I get, I'll show you the packaging. If I can find it, yeah, it's right there. Doesn't have any wording on it. Just comes in a pack like this. I've had this for about 5 years. I just hang this on a little hook and I use it over and over and over again. But anyway, so get your loop like so. And then you got this dental floss and you got the loop. I'm going to stick the loop in the loop just like that. Now you got this pointy end here. I'm going to get the ornament and I'm going to stick that pointy end through the hole. And I'm just going to pull that loop through. And it just pulls it through. To me, it's just an easy way to feed anything through an opening. Like, then I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. And cut that off. And then I take this here, and I just hang it on a hook in front of me to be reused. And these are my little star ornaments. I got that one. That is just beautiful. And this one. Let me know which one's your favorite. I personally like this one, but people have different favorites. Here, I'll put it on a card. You should get their own little card. Isn't that beautiful? So this is my snowflake ornament. I really like how these turned out, and I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in a comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It is free. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you. You have a great day, and God bless. Bye.